Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use BonkBot on Telegram. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first we need just to search for the BonkBot website. So you will need just to go to your uh, web browser, go to the URL section and just type bonkbot.io. Then it will take you to this website as follows. From here, you will need just to click on Start Trading so you can be able to add it to your Telegram channel. We click on Start Trading, and as you can see, it's uh, take us to the Telegram account here. So from here, you can either click on Send Message or just open in the web, and it will take me automatically into my Telegram account since I'm opening Telegram from here. And from now, you will be able to start using BonkBot. So you need just to click on Start, and you will need just to wait for a moment, and then you will be able to start using the BonkBot. So from here, uh, you can see all the actions that you can start doing, like buy in, sell, and manage, and you can help, which will take you to the documentation if you want, or to see how to use BonkBot. You can pin and go to the settings also, and you can refresh so you can see your balance. So whenever you would like, you can start refreshing to find your balance as it is said here. So you have no balance to get started with trading. You will need just to send some Solanas and to your BonkBot wallet, and this is the address, etc. And once done, you will need just to refresh, and you will find your balance that will be updated. So we click on refresh, and it will start refreshing. And from here, you can start like using all the actions, etc. And you can close after that. So basically, it's kind of an app that will included on your Telegram. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.